I just looked up what slugs and snails are the food for slow worms. Hold on a minute. Oh, I didn't close it properly. It's got out. It's got out. It's got out. Where could it be? Oh, there you are. Oh, hello. Oh, you poor little thing. You got out. Right, I'm going to take you outside now. I'm not going to keep you indoors. I'm going to let you go out and fend for yourself. Just wait a second. Oh, it's feisty. Oh, it's feisty. Oh, please stay with me. Stay in my hand. Oh, no, don't go there. Oh, no. Oh, that must have hurt. I'm sorry. Don't wriggle. Oh, it's wriggling. It's wriggling. It's wriggling. It's wriggling. Oh, you poor little thing. I hope the door's open. It's not. It's locked. What am I going to do? Just bear with me. Where's the bloody keys? Oh, the keys are on there. Oh. Just calm down. Just calm down. It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. It's all right. It's wriggling like mad. Oh. Right, the garden light's on, all right? You? Where the hell are we going to put you? I'll put you out the back. I'm not going to put you in the garden. I'm going to put you out the back, okay? All right? Yeah, I know, it's awful. I am helping you. Oh, the light's gone off. Put the light back on. Right, what do I do? I'm going to put you on that bush over there. Oh, you can't see it. I'll put it on the bush, just over the back, and hopefully it will survive. They are gorgeous creatures. Little lizards. They don't have legs, but they have inside them, they look like snakes, but inside them they have the leftovers, what would have been legs, just like we have the coccyx, which might be, the tail from all those ancestral apes that we have evolved from. Oh, well, at least I saved it. It wasn't too happy, and it was wriggling, it was feisty, and it felt strong. I gave it a little resting place, and it felt really strong, so I think it's got a good chance. I hope so. It's all I could do. It's all I could do. I love them so much. They're beautiful creatures. They really are. Bloody cats. What can you do? I don't know. We have to live together. I live with the cats. They live with me. But they don't always pick on the right critters to catch. Just catch mice. Just please catch mice. Just please catch mice. Don't eat spiders. Don't eat frogs. Don't eat slow worms. Just the mice.